Hey guys, Alana here,
Tegan here.
Tegan there.
Alana there.
So today
What the fuck did we just do that?
tonight we thought we would bring back a blast from the past. Past being what, a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
We're going to do a reaction video to the Tampon Eater.
I've never seen it.
Neither have I. So
We're a little late.
yes, we thought we would watch it, I suppose. Alright. You're going to be able to hear it, so. Alright. Play. Oh.
Okay, I'm Giovanna Clown.
Oh.
This is the
Hi.
video.
Thanks.
I just want to say,
Thanks for the
I'm not
nice
playing
mirror.
tricks, as you can see.
Nice floor. Nice mat. Nice feet. Sorry.
Nothing on the floor.
Nice toilet.
It's a normal bathroom. So,
Put your tits away.
Put your tits away, girl.
I'm gonna like pull it out and then like show you. But yeah, okay.
Girl, no.
Oh,
What?
She. OMG.
Ew.
Why are you laughing?
I'm just gonna sit on the counter. I'll just sit over here so you can see.
Oh, look at the gooey, 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 gooey.
This is
Put your
absolutely
tits-
disgusting.
See you?
She like touched it.
Oh, okay, I have water here to like drink it.
Because you don't want to
Jeez,
throw up.
now. Oh my god, I
We
need
should stop
to
talking.
fix this.
Nice towels.
Can I add some music?
Oh, good one.
What's the point of music?
Good one.
Inside joke.
Turn it off. It's disrespectful.
Why do you need a chair?
Why do you need a chair? Oh, because she's too lazy to
Oh
stand.
my god.
Don't sniff it. What?
If anyone says this is fake, there's honestly something wrong with you.
There's something wrong with you. You're eating it. Must we say any more?
I'm scared.
It's not a horror. It could be.
It could be.
Could be. Oh, did you hear the lyrics? I guess it can't be eaten.
No.
Don't sniff it.
Oh no, shit. OMG.
I hope this is fake.
Oh my god. Oh wait, the gooey bit's gone. Yeah, drink some water, mate. That's gonna help. What is wrong with our generation? Wait, so her body just reproduced that and now she's gonna eat it again?
She missed it too much. It's even worse that I know someone that looks exactly like her.
I can't even watch.
Oh, is it hot? Is it spicy? Oh, fruit that, please.
That was so fake. Who vomit?
I don't make that noise when I vomit.
No, hers.
Yeah, I know exactly
Did
what
you
I'm
hear
saying.
it?
And then she looked up at the camera as if...
Yeah.
Okay, well, here it is.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
I'm so fucking done.
Where's your buckets? I'm not gonna have nightmares now, thanks.
Damn it.
What? Harry's wearing red pants.
No, he's not. His background's red. Oh. Well, you're in that photo.
And Louie's wearing red pants too.
In the top photo.
Move your head. Wait, where's Harry?
No, he's not.
Oh, I thought he was wearing red pants. But what was the point in that? Why?
She ate the gooey bit.
What?
No, I can't. I can't even. Oh my god, I'm sweating just from watching that. Okay, well, don't watch that.
I don't recommend it.
Although half the world's probably watched it already because we were a little late. I'm actually speechless.
That's like...
You are a Ratchet hoe.
True story.
Why can't you just get like a raspberry lollipop? What? Surely you're not that poor that you have to eat your own tampons.
What was the point in it? Trying to impress someone?
I can't even. I can't even. No.
I just got shit.
Do not eat your tampon, guys. Don't. Unless you want to be famous. No, don't even do it. Not even to be famous. Just.
Like what Ariana Grande said.
I have so much saliva from not wanting to swallow. Ugh. Okay, well, if you actually watched the whole 8 minutes of this video, please subscribe, comment, rate. Where is it, Tegan? Tegan. Thumbs up to this video. And yeah, this is my channel, by the way. So
I'm Tegan.
okay, 3 things, Tegan, that we learned in that video.
She's Ratchet.
She a hoe.
She needs to cover her tits.
She needs more bath towels. No.
Her toilet's gold.
And her mirror is actually quite big. And yeah, she needs to cover up her puppies because
Those puppies
they
ain't
were
even
like
cute.
they were like mutts. They weren't even like, not that we were paying attention or anything.
Well,
It's just hard when she's like this close to the camera.
well, her chest was anyway.
So yeah, no, I don't recommend watching that, And I feel sorry for anyone who's ever kissed her, who she's even talking to. Oh my god, imagine what her breath would smell. Nope, I'm done. I'm sorry, I'm done. I'm so fucking done.